All right.
Well, welcome back to you.
Thank you. Good to be
this
back.
week.
Yeah.
I was in Oklahoma City for the National Weather Association conference and learned a lot of things. And one of the things we talked a lot about was this hurricane that today is proving to be one of the worst storms in recorded history in the world.
Yeah.
That's how bad this is, Bruce and Julia.
Yeah, and now the big question is how much damage could be left behind?
And I think potentially a lot.
Yeah.
This is a potentially, the National Hurricane Center is calling this potentially catastrophic.
Yeah.
And let me show you why. In fact, we've got this all queued up here. This is the very latest on the hurricane. If you watched Sean last night, he was filling in for Angela. The sustained winds were 160 miles per hour. So in about 8 hours, what we have seen is this thing accelerate to 200 miles per hour. There has never been in the Western Hemisphere a Pacific hurricane that registered 200 miles per hour. Now, let me zoom in and show you what's going on here. There's a little town called Manzanillo, which is right here. So this thing's about 160 miles south of that. If you go farther north, you're talking about Puerto Vallarta, which many of you are familiar with. That's a very popular resort. This has a defined eye. Look at that thing. That is a Category 5 hurricane. And again, potentially catastrophic damage. This should reach landfall in about 5 hours. When it does, it could reach landfall, according to the experts, at 205 miles per hour. So you can imagine the damage that will potentially cause. And we're going to talk about how that actually will affect our weather in moments.